Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Arika. You may be watching this video because you were once subscribed to me when I was doing K-pop reaction videos, and that was, I think that was in like 2019, and so it's been a good, 3 years. Things have changed since then. To be exact, I graduated college, I moved to a different city, I got married, I have a baby now, hello. And so priorities are just a bit different. With having a baby, I just feel like I need to be more accountable with keeping my house clean and just being more on a schedule and everything like that. And so I really enjoy watching cleaning videos on YouTube. I mean, like cleaning, DIY, all that kind of stuff, really anything that helps me get motivated. And so I also want to be like that motivating energy for other people too. So I'm gonna kind of change this channel. We're gonna kind of go in a different direction. So if you were subscribed to me back when I was doing the K-pop reaction videos, thank you so much. I actually was on this account looking at comments that I haven't ever seen, and so many people were like, Arika, like, where are you? I hope you're okay. And I just remember being in that community back then, and everyone was so freaking sweet, like so sweet. So if you want to continue to subscribe, I would love that. I would love to have you here. Like I said, I want to do cleaning videos, DIYs, that kind of stuff. I mean, I don't know exactly where we're gonna go, but I just know that I just want to be motivation and just so authentically real with you guys. I mean, I was gonna, put on a cute outfit and do my hair and makeup and stuff, and it's like, that's not what I want this channel to be. So anyways, I'm sorry, I feel like I'm kind of going on a tangent, but if you want to stay subscribed, I would absolutely love that. I'd love to have you here. If not, I totally understand. We can part ways. I get it. Thank you for the support and just being there for me back when I was making those types of videos. But yeah, so I just want to make this channel into just authentically me, and if you want to stay, great, let's do it. So I'm just gonna stop rambling, but I just wanted to come on here really quick because I'm sure if you see this and you used to be subscribed from when I was doing K-pop reactions, you would probably be confused as to why I'm posting this kind of video now. But yeah, so let me just stop rambling. Your girl's kitchen is a mess. We're just gonna get into the cleaning right away. Let's just do it. I mean, my kitchen's not the worst, but I mean, it's looking a little rough. I mean, as you can see behind me, we got like some almost dead flowers. My baby's seat, we got all types of stuff. I got some dishes to do. Let's just do a cute little quick late night clean. Let's do it. So really quickly right here, I'm just unloading the dishwasher and getting everything prepped to actually wash the dishes. But I have a question for you guys. So when do you make time to clean your kitchen? Growing up, I always heard that phrase, I never go to bed with a dirty kitchen or whatever. But for me, I just can't get on board with that for some reason. I don't know what it is. I mean, my husband, he works pretty late. I mean, some nights he gets home at like 9, 10, 11. And so it'll be like 12:30 and I realized, that the kitchen is a mess after we've already been sitting down watching like 5 episodes of Shark Tank or whatever. And at that point, I'm already just so tired and I just can't do it. So I guess that's my question, you guys. Like I said, when exactly do you prioritize cleaning your kitchen? fact, my baby just turned 4 months and he has tried solids for the first time. Pause. I just wanted to clarify because I know the mom shamers are already in the comments, which, by the way, mom shaming comments for anyone will be deleted with the quickness, seriously, because we will just not be doing that on this channel. But I just wanted to quickly clarify for anyone that's genuinely concerned, we are not actually starting our son on solids as he's only 4 months old. We're just testing out foods because we've been given the go-ahead from our pediatrician. But solids at this age obviously aren't a substitution for milk. Our son is exclusively breastfed, so we're not substituting the milk, or if you use formula, we're not substituting that for solids. We're just kind of adding it in every here and there. But I mean, at this point, he still has that reflex where he kind of pushes things out of his mouth. So he is taking like maybe half of a teaspoon each session. So it by no means is he starting solids. He's just kind of testing them out. But I just wanted to clarify. We gave him sweet potatoes for the first time, and he's working on it. He's literally only had them twice, but he was okay with it. Like, he didn't hate it, so I think that's a plus, right? And honestly, I made this on my own too. I mean, I think a lot of people end up making, of course, I'm not even afraid. I think a lot of people end up making their own baby food because it's really that simple. But all I did was literally boil sweet potatoes so they're soft, and then put them in like a little ninja bullet, and then I mixed it with breast milk, and so it made it pretty thin. I mean, obviously it's supposed to be really thin when it first started. But yeah, he didn't hate it, so that's a plus, right? I guess that's a win. You guys, look at my oven. Do you notice anything missing? The handle broke off probably like, I don't know, 3-4 months ago now, and I'm just not buying another one because the replacement handles are literally like $100. It's a Maytag oven, and I literally cannot find a handle for it for less than like $70. I don't know what I'm missing, but like I just cannot spend that kind of money on an oven handle. So again, if you have some tips, some tricks, I've been like racking my mind to try to find a solution, but I know the solution is not spending $100 for a handle. Like, it's just ridiculous. Really quick, I wanted to show you guys this recipe box that my husband got me for, I don't know, a birthday or something. This is literally the cutest thing ever, and it came with these little recipe cards. It came with quite a bit, actually. I think he got it from Etsy, so if anyone's interested, I am happy to ask him which shop he got it from, and we can definitely share it with you because it is so stinking cute. Okay, so also my friend and I are doing a Bible study, and she got us both this book called 40 Days Through the Bible. We haven't started it yet. We're gonna get started on it this upcoming week, but basically it takes you through the Bible within 40 days, and they have like I'll show you week 1, for example. So week 1, and it talks about creation, and then it has like questions that you can answer throughout the first week. So it has like week 1, day 1, then week 1, day 2, obviously, and all of that. And I'm really excited about this. So I think she got it on Amazon. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, definitely check it out. This is an awesome book. Here is me showing you our Chihuahua Martin. He is the sweetest boy. And then you can see our other 2 dogs too. Milo is that brown one right there. He's a pit bull boxer mix. And then Maxine, the other one, she is a Pomeranian Sheltie. Alright guys, it looks like this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to growing this channel and getting to know you guys and interacting with you guys, and you guys getting to know me. So thank you again so much for watching, and we will talk soon. Bye!